Up to now we will see the concept of 2 to 4 decoder as well as 3 to 8 decoder. Now let's see the concept of design 4 to 16 decoder using the 2 to 4 decoder. That means how many 2 to 4 decoders will be required to implement the 4 to 16 decoder. Let's see, this will be the important concept. Question: design 4:16 decoder using 2:4 decoder. Here you can observe clearly this represents the inputs, 4 represents the inputs and 16 represents the outputs, right? Here suppose if you take the 1:2:4 decoder, this input will be the A and this input will be the B, and outputs will be the 4 outputs, that will be the D0, D1, D2 as well as D3. D2, D3, right? Now let's take another decoder, that will be the here 2:4 decoder, and here this will become the A0, this will become the B0 internal inputs, and the outer inputs will be the C, D. Here D0, D1 outputs, D2 and D3. And if you take another decoder, that will be the 2:4 decoder, that inputs will be the A1 and B1, outputs will be the 4, right? D4, D5, D6 as well as D7. Now let's take another 2 to 4 decoder. Now why we are taking that many of decoders means, here you can observe, here our target will become the 16 outputs, right? Here if you take the one decoder means 2 inputs and 4 outputs, it can't match our criteria. And here if you take only one decoder, this will become also 4 outputs. If you add one more decoder to it, it will become the 7 only. It can't match our criteria, that will be the 16. That means if you take the 4 decoders, you will get the 16 outputs, right? This will become the D8, D9, D10 and D11. Inputs will be the A2 and B2. Here if you take another 2:4 decoder, here you will get the D12, D13, D14 as well as D15. This will become the A3 and B3. Now one term we will be missing, that will be the enable input, right? This will become the enable. Here also we will take the enable E, here also enable E, and here also enable E, and here also enable E. Let's do some wiring for this 224 decoder. Here whatever the output we are getting here D0 in this line, we are just connected to this enable, and next here D1 to this enable, and D2 this to this enable, and D3 to this enable, and here two inputs will be missing. That will be the here A1 B1, A2 B2 and A3 B3. You have connected C to A1 like this, and D to B1 like this. In the same way, C to A1 and D to this B2. Next this C2, this A3 and D2, this B3. Here you can observe, you will get the four outputs, right? Sorry, four inputs, right? This will be the one input A, another input B, and the third input C, and fourth input be the D. You will get the 16 outputs. That will be the D0 to here 0 to 16 means 0 to 15 means that will be the 16. Here we will get the 16 outputs. Here 1 2 3 4. Hence we can design the 4:16 decoder using the 2:4 decoder. Thank you.